Tata Motors, the leader in the small commercial vehicle segment, has always been committed to innovate in order to improve the value proposition by equipping its vehicles with the ability to generate higher revenue at lower cost to help the customers propel business growth. Today, we take a look at one such innovation, the new heart of the small commercial vehicles. Introducing the all-new 800cc two-cylinder direct ignition Dicor engine, a category creator in itself, offering a maximum power of 40 HP, a maximum peak torque of 94 Nm. Here, at the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility of Tata Motors at Pantnagar, we shall walk through the manufacturing process of this technologically advanced Dicor engine. We will find out what makes this fourth-generation engine give consistent superior performance in actual loading conditions. Before we take you to the engine assembly line, let us understand the benefits of the 0.8-litre direct injection common rail engine. The Dicor has dual advantages of the advanced technology and unmatched performance. Due to its advanced technology, this engine has a clear edge over its competitors. With 7 patents under process, the Dicor engine has been conceptualized, designed and manufactured indigenously by Tata Motors. This new offering from Tata Motors is completely made from aluminium. This aluminium construction makes the Dicor engine 20% lighter than comparable engines, which results in superior fuel economy. Aluminium radiates heat more efficiently and gives engine a longer life by reducing chances of engine seizure. The aluminium is melted at a temperature of about 1300 degrees and then cast into blocks, heads and bed plates. High-pressure die casting method used for this purpose gives uniform density to block and along with superior surface finish, improving the quality and reliability of the engine. The block and the head is manufactured separately and then brought into the assembly line for fitments. The cylinder head is first put through a blow-by-blow leak testing, followed by bed plate torquing, machining, rough honing, finished honing, and waterways and oil leak testing. The cylinder block also goes through similar processes of blow-by-blow leak testing, followed by heating of cylinder head, valve and VG pressing, and machining. Rigorous testing at all stages ensures world-class quality during the manufacturing process. These processes ensure better engine life and superior engine performance. Now the engine block goes through processes like valve guide and seal pressing, oscillation test, leak test, and automated shim selection. Any deviation is identified and rectified at this stage itself. These processes ensure smooth valve operations and no oil leakage. Now, exhaust gas recirculation assembly is fitted in the engine. In-house innovation in design has made EGR more lightweight and compact, resulting additional increase in fuel efficacy by 1 km per litre. The micro-turbocharger in the Dicor engine, resulting in the high power density of 37.5 kilowatt per litre, making it the most powerful engine in this category in India. The Dicor engine is now ready for fitment of mechanical parts. The MB selection is followed by the critical operation of crankshaft dropping, balancer shaft dropping, automated sealant application on bed plate and bed plate fitment. The Dicor uses a unique balancer shaft design for reducing vibrations. This compact balancer shaft with integrated drive for fuel injection pump and oil pump results in very low engine vibrations, compact design and protection from engine seizure. The piston ring phasing and dropping of assembly piston and conrod, one of the more critical processes in the Dicor line, is followed by fitment of conrod caps, fitment of oil sump, fitment of adapter plate, fitment of flywheel, and fitment of pressure plate. The mechanical fitments are completed with TDC locking and piston topping and gasket selection. Fitment of assembly timing cover, belt tensioning and assembly HP pump and adapter fitment. The use of belt drive in Dicor engine results in reduced engine noise. After the mechanical fitments, alternator is fitted into the engine. Engine assembly now moves to a clean room to ensure a dust-free environment fitment of injector and HP lines. The Dicor has an improved injector which gives higher performance, lower smoke emission and optimum power leverage. The Dicor engine is almost ready except for a few final procedures like oil and water-based leakage testing and engine oil filling. The engine is filled with the engine oil through fully automated machines. The engine is now ready for the final testing. But before this, let us take a final look at the processes and features which make the Dicor engine such an unmatched performer in its segment. All Dicor engines are tested in state-of-the-art testing room. Critical performance parameters like power, torque, etc. are measured in real-use conditions, simulated in these rooms. Only engines which pass these stringent and real-use tests are allowed to be fitted into the Tata vehicles. The Dicor engines are now ready for the fitment in the vehicles. Due to its advanced technology and state-of-the-art manufacturing process, this engine gives the best mileage in its class in the actual market environment. Flat torque curves provide best performance and drivability at all gears, loads and terrains. These Dicor engines are now adding on to the income of their ace owners by helping in growth of their business, giving more power to their business and bringing smiles to their faces.